This is C. Stalin Jose. I am working at the Yemen College of Engineering, Department of Electronic and Communication Engineering. Uh, uh, the topic to be presented as keyboard and 7 segment interfacing with the 8051. Let us introduction about one by one. There are two types of interfacing. First one keyboard interfacing and second one 7 segment interfacing. Keyboard interfacing, there are 5 different types. First one keypad, key debouncing, key bouncing, interfacing diagram and flowchart. And another one interfacing is 7 segment interfacing. There are 4 types: 7 segment display, pin diagram, types of 7 segment display and table. Keypad interfacing with the 8051. uh, it has keyboard is an input device. It means a set of buttons arranged as a block or pad. It's if the push button keys are used, these push button keys when pressed bounce a few times or closing or opening the contact before providing a steady reading. Each key has a unique 8-bit code. It has buttons may have a numbers or symbols, alphabets. If mean if numbers them numeric keypad by using the 4x4 matrix keyboard. Next one key bouncing. Key bouncing. Key bouncing is a it consists of a flip flop. The output of flip flop is when the logic 1, when the key is at a position, and if a logic 0 when the key is position B. So that is a key bouncing. If a key is pressed and released before steady state, during this process some fluctuation will occur. To avoid this fluctuation, we use key debouncing. And key debouncing, here when the key is pressed, the contact bounce back forth and settle down only after the small time delay. It means hence microprocessor wait until it reaches the steady state. This known as a key debouncing. It many the some key bounce can be problem is there if can be eliminated using key debounce or either hardware or software. Software way for debugging interfacing 4x4 matrix square matrix of the diagram. It's shown like that. It contains hexadecimal value. Hexadecimal values that 0 to 9 and A to F. A is a 10, B is 11 and C is 12 and D is 13 and E is 14 and F is a 15. So A to 15. So that is 0 to 15 values. That's a hexadecimal values. So it contains two port. Each port 0 and port 1 represent a column. So port 0 is a row and port 1 is the represent a column of the input. So this is a flow chart. Flow chart. In this flow chart, software technique, when a key press a found, the microprocessor wait for a least 10 minutes before it accept the key as an input. This 10 millisecond period is sufficient to settle key at steady state. First, that like that, when start the button, start the button, and then read status of the key. If read status of the key light, the flow signal is go to the all keys are open, or otherwise wait for key debounce. So wait for key debounce, it means 10 milliseconds. So 10 minutes after the data going to read the status. If the key is pressed, and it will wait for the debounce. After it means 10 milliseconds. And finally read the key code and end the data. So this is a flow chart of key input debounce. And the next topic, 7 segment display with 8051. 7 segment display is a combination of 8 LED are connected in such a way that each LED represents a particular segment of the display. So 8 LED, that means A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So this is a 8 LEDs are, it's a 7 segment display. These segment are named A, B, C, D, E, F and data point. So DP is the data point. One side of these 8 LEDs is connected to 8051 microcontrollers to any of the input ports, whereas the other sides of LED is shorted and connected to the cathode and anode. And next slide is pin diagram of 7 segment display. Each pin is different definition of different working part of pins. Okay, first one, A is the control the topmost LED of the 7 segment display, and B is the controller the top right LED of the 7 segment display. So up to C, D, E, F, G. G is the controller of middle LED of the 7 segment display. And common pin connected to ground, supply voltage VCC, and the type of LED. So this is a 5-volt type of LED display. And next one, there are two types of 7 segment display is based on first one. There are two common anode, see 7 segment display. First one, common anode segment. Each anode is shorted to anode. It's a common anode display, and a cathode should be each terminal is connected to a ground. And next one, a common cathode. Common cathode is connected, all terminals, it should be connected together, and it will to the connecting the pin is ground, and otherwise each terminal anode should be connected in the separate supply. The 16, it means like that 7 segment display common anode or cathode is different. First one, a single 7 segment display or common cathode LED display for when an connected to positive supply, a low voltage is supplied to a cathode to turn on it. To turn on it like that, LED is glow or otherwise is off state. So once off state and on state. So this is a logic diagram. Maybe glow, that means the output is 1. The off, the output is 0. So this is a common anode and common cathode. And the last one is a character table of the 7 segment display. A character 0 to 9 character or 0 to 9 numbers. uh, CC, common collector terminal is connected, and hexadecimal is there. So A to Z. First, based on common 0 display is showing 0, that means uh, when the light is glow. So which letters is known as A, B, C, D, E and F, and otherwise turn off is only for G. So this is a 0 character, and last one 9 character, uh, only any glow for the LED light is on A, B, C, C, D and G, and F and G, and E is the turn off the light. Okay. So this is a characteristics table of the LED light, 7-segment display light when glow or off state. This is a table of content. Okay. Thank you.